And we'll go to the VPN section to OpenVPN. We'll use the wizard and we'll configure the OpenVPN for local user access. So we'll call it local access. Well, you can add the information. I will add. I'm from Romania, city Bucharest, organization MZT, state or province Romania. So we'll add. By doing this, I will add a new certificate authority, and I will add a server certificate now, which I will use the same information, and I will add the OpenVPN server information. I can use the local port of 1194, and I can use UDP or I can use TCP, but I don't like the local port, so I'll use 6200. I can leave all of these options as they are. And I want to have address in the following range: 192.168.0.200.199. So this IP address will be assigned to me when I will log into the OpenVPN. And here I should add the address that I want to, the network that I want to access. So I want to be able to access all pfsenses from that Windows machine. So I'll add 192.168.0.0/24. I don't want to get a DNS server, but for the sake of the exercise, let me configure the DNS server. So I click next. I will add a firewall rule automatically, and I will add a OpenVPN rule automatically. I click finish. And basically this is my OpenVPN configuration. The next thing that I should do is go to System, User Management, and I should add a user certificate, which will be issued from local access certificate authority that we have created. Click Save. After, of course, I add a common name, mzt.com. So save. I have added the certificate, and now I should be able to export this configuration and use it to connect. But I'm lazy, and I will go to Packet Manager, to Available Packets, and I'll type here Open, and I will download OpenVPN Client Export. The connection here is pretty slow, so I will see when this will be finished. So now the OpenVPN client export is installed, and we can go to VPN, OpenVPN, client export. We'll choose our remote access server, and we can download the configuration from here, and after that it can be copied on your machine. You can import it in OpenVPN. You'll issue the username and the password of the admin user in our case, because the certificate was configured under the admin user, and you'll just open it, import it, and basically that should be it. Let me try to import it on my computer, and if I try to connect, it might not work, and if I try to connect, it might not work. Because I'm the same network as the pfSense. But if you copy it in on a computer which is in a different network, you shouldn't have any problem. So basically, this is how you configure the OpenVPN for the pfSense appliance. Thanks.